In this tutorial, we'll explore the applications and capabilities of Excel forecast sheet. If you have historical time-based data, you can take advantage of the tool to do time series forecasting. A forecast can help predict future sales, inventory requirements, or consumer trends. Let's take a look at our table. We use the data from 2003 to 2013 and we'll forecast the number of births in 2014 and 2015. Then, we'll compare the forecast with real numbers. After selecting the cells, go to Data tab and hit Forecast Sheet. Our timeline should be evenly spaced. Let's see what happens if it's not. This is a different table. Unlike the previous one, in this table, the number of days between the two consecutive examples varies. As you see, the tool isn't working. Let's go back to our example. Since my data is till December 2015, I set the end date to the end of 2015. In the Options section, you have a variety of options. For example, you can change the start date, choose between automatic and manual seasonality, change the time and target column, and if there is a missing value in the column, fill them with zero or interpolation methods. You can find the forecast, lower confidence bound, and upper confidence bound in a new sheet. Let's compare them with the real numbers to see how accurately Excel can forecast time-based series. To do this, I copy the forecast and the real numbers, I mean the 2014 and 2015 data, to a new sheet. Now, I create a chart to compare the forecast with the real data. As you see, all the predictions are within the upper and lower confidence bounds and majority of them are on the forecast one. In this tutorial, we learn how to use Excel forecast sheet to predict a time series based data. Please share your thoughts through comments and give a thumbs up if you like the post. Your engagement and comments are invaluable in shaping the quality of future posts.